Okay, ready for the next bit now. So back over there, we have 2 H's, 1 G and 1 F. And this one we need there. So that looks like I've got it in the right place. So H, no, let's do G first. G, oh, G goes in there, look. Oh, sorry, you can't see that, can you? I'm guessing that. I'm guessing that will turn that somehow. So P2 goes through there. That needs C4. Just a little bit sandpapering. Quite enjoying doing this because I've never made anything like this before. And I could have probably sat down and done it all in one go, but it's a bit overblowing really. So that goes in there. Then an H, it's a big bit on top, goes in there. I did stop to have a look at what happened with these screws because it hasn't said anything yet about making sure that they're staying screwed on. So that's on there. Oh, this one must go on there, but I don't know why. Let's do what it says. I know, as soon as I turn this upside down, they're all going to fall off. Right. So still with this that way, and then this okay. I'm confused now. Because up here it shows P3 going through those, and then those going on there. Oh no, that P2 isn't going through that bit, it's going through that bit. But the question is, hold on, no, I've gone wrong, that's not correct. So this one goes on there. That's better. That makes more sense now. So now oh, maybe I don't put these P2s in yet. Okay, so looks like this. Get back on there. Okay, so we've got those two lined up. We've got screws in those 4, so it looks like we've done this bit as well. I think the next bit is to turn it over and fix these screws with the P4s. Just check what the P4s are. P4s are the little square nuts. Which I don't seem to have any of. Oh, yes I do. Still in the box. I'm actually using my camera stand and light stand. Little gap here to hold all the bits in. I couldn't be bothered to keep taking them in and out of the packets. So those ones, it's the square ones I need. Right, I wonder if I turn it upside down. Oh no! I'll sort that one in a minute. I'm going to try and... These ones are still showing. So I think if I can get some of them screwed in, the rest will kind of follow. Oh, lost one. Well, this screw's not long enough. I'm going to check what screw I should have in there, because there is one really long screw left. It looks like, because it's held on with three other screws, it's not exactly going to go anywhere. That screw seems longer than the others. Oh, because they've not come all the way down, that's why. I'm not going to really tighten them up until I'm sure everything works. So let's go back to see which screw this was. Should have been a P3 screw. Cheers, it's the longest screw. On. This is literally only just going to squish onto there very, very lightly. Hoping that's okay. And I need one on there as well. Okay, now where did this bit? Oh, it's all falling apart soon. All falling apart. Right, it looks like I've done those two bits. Well, I've done that bit. I know it says check the gears run smoothly, but I need to put this bit back on again, which was the months. And they went on there. I'm just going to check. Oh, that moves okay. Well, I think these gears are meant to move. Ah. So I don't know if that one is meant to. We'll find out in a minute, I'm sure. So this needs to go. You see, I think that goes there like that because it said so on the other page. So I think these gears do run smoothly. Well, kind of smoothly. I don't know if that's it's because it's tightened up too much or not enough. That doesn't seem to turn, but that's doing the same as that one did. It doesn't seem to be turning the gears. No. Should that have been glued down? Don't know.
Mm.